Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make your own sound on the TikTok. So if you want to upload or make your own sound on the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Then you have to click on this plus icon. You need a video with your own sound. Simply upload it from here. Once you will upload it or shoot a video with your sound from here, once you will do it, now you have to click on this tick button and then click on the next and click on the post. Once you will post it, now go to your profile and your video is here. So you have to click here on the sound button. So sound is here. Now you can edit it from here by the pin icon. Enter a sound title and then click on the save. So your sound is here. Now if your video is public, people use it for creating video. So this is the way to make your own sound on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.